Ellie and Mae London is marketed as a fashion boutique with a British identity, stylish clothing collections, and a polished brand image. But the real question is it actually British, or is London mainly part of the branding? Now, to be fair, using a city name in a brand does not automatically mean something suspicious is happening. Many online stores use location-based branding as part of their identity. What it does well: professional-looking website. The store presentation can appear polished and visually appealing. Fashion styles may look attractive. The clothing designs often follow trendy and popular styles, where the concerns start appearing. The British identity may be difficult to verify. This is the biggest issue. Some online stores strongly emphasize cities like London, Sydney, or New York, while providing limited independent evidence of substantial local presence. Branding and actual business location can be different things. A company can use London in its image without operating as a traditional London boutique. Independent public history may be limited. When there is little third-party information, judging long-term reliability becomes harder. So, is Ellie and Mae London actually British? Short answer: the branding may be British-inspired, but that does not automatically confirm a strong local London business presence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.